In this video, I'll show you how to swap a face from one photo to another using Gemini Nano Banana. Let's get started. First, open Google Gemini. Now, choose two images. One will be the source face, the face you want to use, and the other will be the target image, the body where you want to place the face. Start by uploading the source face image into Gemini. You can simply drag and drop it. After that, upload the target image. The order is very important. Always upload the face image first, then the target body image. This order will be used in your prompt. Once both images are uploaded, enter a simple prompt like insert the face from image 1 into the body of image 2. Then click on Tools, then Create Images. Make sure the correct mode, such as the thinking mode or advanced mode, is selected, and send the request. Gemini will process the images by treating the first upload as image 1, the face, and the second as image 2, the body. That's why the upload order is very important. If you mix it up, the AI may get confused and give incorrect results. After a few seconds, your result will be generated. You should now see the face from the first image applied to the body of the second image. The result is usually quite smooth and realistic, though it may not be perfect every time. And that's it. That's how you can easily swap faces using Gemini Nano Banana. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.